Hello, everybody. Are we started? Okay, welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. I'm just getting on real quick because we are about to just style this kinky curly wig right here. As you can see, this kinky curly wig is dry and not one single strand is coming out in my fingers because this is good quality kinky straight hair. So this is unit number, we don't have the unit number, but it is a beautiful kinky straight unit. Thank you everybody for watching today. We're just showing some of our beautiful wigs that we do have here in store at Magic Hair Company. We are currently open Tuesday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We are closed New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. We will see you soon. Please use the chat feature on our website to make an appointment here in store. We do prefer that you have an appointment. All right, guys, so now we're going to get started. We get the question a lot, what is the best hair care products to use to maintain our wigs and extensions, even our kinky curly hair? You see this is soft curly hair. A lot of times when people get kinky curly hair, it's dry, it's hard. You can't brush your fingers through it, but look here, guys. I'm definitely brushing my fingers through this hair and I don't have one single strand running my fingers through this dry, kinky, curly wig from Magic Hair Company. If you want curly hair and you want quality hair, shop with Magic Hair Company. My name is Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company, your premium Glueless, full lace and front lace wig store located here in Culver City, California. I've been doing this for 10 years now. I've had my store for 8. We do have our very own hair care product line, which I'm about to show you guys right here. This is our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. This is exactly what you need to maintain your curly, wavy, kinky curly wigs and extensions from Magic Hair Company. That is available on our website and here in store. I put that in this spray bottle right here with some water. And now I'm just going to shake it up and I'm going to fully saturate this wig right here. Or let me comb it out a little bit more and show you guys the different versatile looks that you can get with this kinky curly hair. Whether you want really big hair or really maintain beautiful defined curls, you can definitely achieve that with this wig here at Magic Hair Company. We do have kinky curly in a couple of different wigs. Off the top of my head, I believe a few of the kinky curly wig numbers are 157, which is a 14-inch full lace. We have a 16-inch front lace. That unit number is 324. If you're new to shopping with Magic Hair Company, go head over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter, because that is where we put our sales and discounts first. So check out this part right here. You can definitely switch up your part even in our front lace units here, up to 6 inches in the back. And I will show you guys a better view of this part once I wet it down, because you can easily just change the part here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start wetting this beautiful kinky curly wig down, but check out how beautiful these curls came out. Look at some of our other textures we have available here. This is one of our custom colored red wigs. We do custom coloring, custom styling here in store. We don't charge any additional for if you want styling, as in curls or waves or layers or bangs, anything like that. That is all included here at Magic Hair Company. So these are just some of the wigs that we have available. We are not able to get anything out to you by New Year's Eve. You know, the postal service is a little bit tricky right now. So if you need something by New Year's Eve, come in tomorrow. Our hours for tomorrow, December 30th, are 10:30 to 6 p.m. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store. If you shop with us online, you definitely can select in-store pickup. That is available. And yeah, we are here to service you as best as we can during this pandemic. We know that our clients need these wigs, but please, please, please wear a mask. There's no reason I should have to ask people to wear a mask. Like, come on, guys. Please wear a mask. Please don't make me ask you to put your mask on. We are here.
They said that's some beautiful hair.
This is one of our most popular textures. Sometimes clients are afraid of it because of the curls, but it's very, very easy to maintain. Simply just wet it down. It obviously does not tangle. When you buy a quality human hair wig from Magic Hair Company, it's not going to tangle or mat up or shed. I stand by all of my hair here, so if your hair tangles or mats up or sheds, I will give you a 100% refund. That's how confident I am in my product. So yeah, let us know how we can assist you guys. We are here typically Tuesday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6. I've been here in Culver City for 8 years now. And yeah, what other questions do you see on there? We do have financing available on our website. We are not currently doing wig installations, but all of our wigs are 100% human hair and glueless. So, of course, we'll cut the lace for you, and then you can just wear it. It's ready to go. So now I'm gonna moisture through with my fingers. This is a really, really great product to use. I specially formulated this product because I have sensitive skin. And when I have any curly or wavy hair, those products on my face used to break my skin out, but now they don't because we have all of these natural products in our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which, like I said, it's available on our website, magichaircompany.com. My shirt's available on, I'll tag the page below. But yeah, you know, I got some pretty dope shirts and sweaters. If you guys have any questions, please, please, please utilize the chat feature on our website. It will directly connect you with somebody and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. We do custom color in store. We have braided wigs available. We have full lace, we have front lace. You don't need to shop anywhere else. If you're looking for a quality wig that's going to last you for time and time to come and not be throwaway hair, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Why spend hundreds of dollars on hair that's not going to last you for more than a month or so when you can spend a little bit more and get a wig that will last you for years to come? Invest in yourself. You deserve a quality wig. Okay, now that this is pretty much saturated, I'm going to brush it through. And look how easy this is to maintain. I hope these beautiful curls are coming out on camera here, but yeah, hopefully you guys can really see the beauty in our kinky curly texture. And this unit is 12 inches. So this is where a 12-inch kinky curly will fall on you. We can, of course, custom color it. We don't have any custom color kinky curly available now. But like I said, guys, if you're looking for a quality wig, human hair that's going to last you, not going to mat up, not going to shed, and is going to look beautiful for years to come, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Okay, let me show you guys the curls in the back. So this is me still combing it out. How does that look on camera? So yeah, so this is our beautiful kinky curly texture, freshly hydrated. And there you go. So if you are looking for curly hair to take on vacation when we're allowed out the world, outside the house again, of course, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have beautiful, low maintenance curly hair, and definitely don't forget to pick up our hydrating curl definer and amplifier that you see here. We also have our keratin shampoo and conditioner, what is exactly what you need to maintain your wigs and extensions at home. Or we can, of course, do it for you here in store. And then, yes, we also have a edge tamer and hairline soother. So all of these products can be found online at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. If you have any questions about wearing a wig, or if you're a first-time wig wearer, or if you're new to wearing wigs, or if you're a seasoned wig wearer, we can definitely accommodate you here at Magic Hair Company. We'll simply cut this lace for you and you can put our beautiful wig on. Let me show you how to do this part here. You can literally do the part anywhere. I'll do it kind of diagonal here. Let me clean it up a little more. So I'll do one going this way, just to kind of show you guys, even in our front lace wigs, you can definitely change that part out. So this is the part on the left kind of diagonal. Now I'm going to do it on the right here. Now we'll do it straight across. But there you go. And each time you change the part, the hair is going to fall slightly different. So there you go, guys. This is the 12-inch kinky curly. We can definitely custom color this, add some highlights, trim it, add a little style, add a little length. You can definitely do a top knot here. Let me show you what a top knot in this would look like. You can definitely clean up the part if you want, but I'm just trying to show you guys. So if I wanted to do a top knot in this here we go. And then there you guys see how this part looks all the way throughout this right here. Whoops. And then yeah, you know, just part it however you want. But this is our 12-inch kinky curly front lace from Magic Hair Company. Check out this unit and hundreds of other units that we have online and in store at magichaircompany.com. Of course, we have more items available in store than we do online. So if you would like to come and shop with us in store here, come on by. We'll gladly take care of you. If you want us to customize the color on any of your wigs, we can. We have our C collection coming up soon, so we have some beautiful blues. We can customize your color. What are you waiting for? Shop with us if you want the best, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.